Most drivers have never seen these car gadgets before, but once you do, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Let's check out. Number 1. FOXWELL BT100 Pro Car Battery Tester. Ever had your car refuse to start at the worst possible moment? The FOXWELL BT100 Pro Battery Tester helps you check your battery health in seconds. It analyzes voltage, charging condition, and starting power with professional-level accuracy. Just connect the clamps, and the digital screen shows instant results. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. It's a small diagnostic tool that can save you from expensive roadside emergencies. Number 2. SPTA Buffing and Polishing Pads Kit. If your car paint looks dull or scratched, these SPTA polishing pads can bring it back to life. This 5-piece kit includes pads designed for cutting, polishing, and waxing. They easily attach to most car polishers and buffers. The foam material spreads compound evenly for a smooth finish. Number 3. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0. Keeping your car interior clean can be a challenge, especially with crumbs and dust everywhere. The ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0 is a compact handheld vacuum made specifically for vehicles. Its powerful suction and long 16-foot cord let you reach every corner of your car. The built-in LED light helps reveal hidden dirt in dark areas. Multiple attachments handle seats, carpets, and tight gaps easily. A perfect gadget for quick interior cleanups anytime. Number 4. AUXITO LED Fog Light Bulbs. Driving in fog, rain, or snow becomes much safer with the right lighting. AUXITO LED fog light bulbs produce a bright amber yellow beam that cuts through bad weather. The strong penetrating light improves visibility in harsh driving conditions. Number 5. Portable Electric Pressure Washer Pump. Washing your car anywhere becomes easy with this portable electric pressure washer. Powered by a 12V connection, it produces up to 160 psi of cleaning pressure. The long hose allows you to move around the vehicle comfortably. It works great for cars, bikes, patios, and even garden cleaning. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store in your trunk. A convenient mini power washer for quick cleaning on the go. Number 6. USB-C 90W Fast Car Charger. Modern phones and tablets need powerful charging while traveling. This USB-C 90W car charger delivers ultra-fast charging for iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and tablets. It supports PD and QC 3.0 technology for efficient power delivery. The included coiled cable keeps your dashboard clutter-free. Perfect for road trips, navigation, and daily commuting. Your devices stay fully powered no matter how long the drive is. Number 7. One-Pass Classic Waterblade Squeegee. Drying your car after washing can take forever with regular towels. The One-Pass Waterblade uses medical-grade silicone to remove water instantly. One smooth swipe pushes away large amounts of water from surfaces. It works safely on glass, paint, and chrome. The flexible blade glides smoothly without leaving streaks. This simple tool makes post-wash drying much faster and easier. Number 8. Bates Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. If you ever repair wiring in your car, this kit becomes extremely useful. The Bates Heat Shrink Tubing Set includes 580 pieces in 11 different sizes. Once heated, the tubing shrinks tightly around wires for strong insulation. It protects electrical connections from moisture, dirt, and damage. Perfect for DIY repairs, modifications, or electronics work. A small kit that every car DIY enthusiast should keep handy. Number 9. Spurtar Telescoping Lug Wrench. Changing a tire becomes much easier with the right tool. The Spurtar Telescoping Lug Wrench extends to provide extra leverage. This helps loosen even the most stubborn lug nuts. It comes with multiple socket sizes for different vehicles. The compact design folds down for easy trunk storage. An essential emergency tool for every driver's roadside kit. A must-have gadget that can make tire changes faster and far less stressful. Number 10. SEALIGHT 194 LED Bulb Pack. Upgrading your car's interior lighting can instantly improve visibility. These SEALIGHT LED bulbs produce bright white illumination. They work perfectly for license plates, dome lights, and trunk lighting. Energy-efficient LED chips last much longer than standard bulbs. Installation is quick and requires no special tools. A small upgrade that dramatically improves interior brightness. It also gives your car a more modern and premium lighting look. Number 11. Extra large SUV trunk organizer. A messy trunk can make it hard to find anything when you need it. This extra large trunk organizer keeps everything neatly stored. It includes multiple compartments for groceries, tools, and emergency gear. The magnetic lid helps secure items during driving. Its leather design adds a premium look to your cargo space. Best of all, it folds flat when not in use. Number 12. Tesla Model Y HEPA Cabin Air Filter. Clean air inside your car matters more than most drivers realize. This HEPA cabin air filter is designed specifically for Tesla Model Y. It captures dust, pollen, and tiny airborne particles. The activated carbon layer also removes odors and harmful pollutants. Installation is simple and doesn't require complicated tools. Number 13. ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum, original version. Another excellent cleaning tool is the original ThisWorx handheld vacuum. It's lightweight but powerful enough for dirt, sand, and pet hair. The long 16-foot cord reaches every part of your car interior. 3 included attachments handle different cleaning tasks. It's simple, portable, and easy to store. Perfect for keeping your car spotless between full washes. A great gadget for quick cleanups after trips or daily commutes. Number 14. JOYTUTUS Car Sun Visor Vanity Mirror. Sometimes the standard car mirror just isn't enough. This JOYTUTUS vanity mirror attaches easily to your sun visor. It includes 60 bright LEDs for clear lighting anywhere. 3 lighting modes adjust for different environments. The rechargeable battery makes it ideal for travel. A surprisingly practical gadget for quick touch-ups on the road. It's especially useful during night drives or low-light conditions. Number 15. Spurtar Mechanic Work Light. Working on your car in the dark can be frustrating. The Spurtar Mechanic Work Light delivers up to 2,400 lumens of brightness. Strong magnets and hooks allow you to mount it anywhere under the hood. The rechargeable battery provides hours of illumination. It's perfect for garages, roadside repairs, or workshops. A reliable lighting tool every DIY mechanic will appreciate. If you found these gadgets useful, hit like, subscribe for more, and check the description for all the links.